On the morning of March 16th, 2023, I had to drive 130 kilometers from Baghdad to Karbala to attend a language conference. The pleasure of delivering a speech on language learning strategies in south of Iraq was beyond imagination. I drove to the event that was hosted by a local university, which provided me with a platform to share my expertise with a group of eager female students. The speech was interactive and engaging, with two activities designed to help the students realize how to teach English in a fun and, of course, effective way. We started promptly at 9 a.m., and I began by introducing myself and providing a brief overview of my background and experience in the field of language learning. I then proceeded to outline the key strategies that students in the south of Iraq can use to improve their English skills. These included strategies such as consistent practice, setting achievable goals, and engaging in conversation with native speakers. Following the presentation of these strategies, we moved on to the first activity, which was a group discussion about the challenges that students face when learning English. The students shared their experiences and insights, and we worked together to identify solutions to these challenges. The second activity was a game designed to make learning English fun and engaging. The students were divided into teams and given a set of questions to answer related to the English language. The game was competitive and educational, and the students were fully engaged throughout. Overall, the speech was a great success, and the students left with a better understanding of how to learn English effectively. I was grateful for this opportunity to share my knowledge with this group of bright and enthusiastic students, and hope to continue working with them in the future to help them achieve their learning goals.
You're a student
Thank you very
at this
much.
stage, you can be whatever you want if you have the destination and you know the destination.